What's the matter? You don't want to go potty very long because it's raining? It's raining. Shut the screen, not because it's cold, but shut the screen to keep the damn flies out. Yeah, the flies. Keep an eye out. One of the campers next to us said that there was a rattlesnake in the bushes. That could be. There are rattlesnakes up here, but they weren't real common and they didn't like to be near people. There are properties here in the Ash Fork, Williams area that does get them. Good girl. Don't go poo-poos. She's got a good diet. Yeah, throw that stuff around. Yeah. So good morning. Good morning. You gonna sneeze? Who wants some duck duck? Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Sneeze, good boy. Sneeze, Lulu. Sneeze. Good boy.